Hello and welcome to Chrome Computing. In this video, we will look at how you can use your magnifier on your Chromebook. This is especially useful for people who may have problems seeing a website normally with your eyesight. Even if you're using glasses, sometimes it may be difficult. There's two options available. The first one, I personally don't think is great, but you might find it useful. I think the second option is more useful. So I'll show you them both. So from here, just go down to the settings at the bottom and then click on the settings cog there. And then from there, let me just minimize that, sorry. And from there, if you click on advanced here and then go to accessibility and manage accessibility features, click on there. And then you will go to display, head in there and click on enable full screen magnifier. So once you've clicked on that, you will see it's magnified your screen. There's a zoom here. I would strongly recommend not going too high. I did that a few minutes ago and it took me forever getting it back. So be very careful here. 2x zoom, 4x zoom, I think you'll be okay with as well. But I'll put it onto 2x zoom and just show you how it would then work. So you close your settings and then everything is zoomed depending on where your mouse cursor is. So you'd have to scroll across the page like that to get to different parts of your Chromebook. I think I'm not sure I like it, but there we go. Let's have a look. So I've opened up Google. Type in Chromebook News, for example, and then it will come up with all the options, and then you would have to scroll down the page like so. If you scroll down, that will just take you to the bottom where your icons are, and it's just a bit hard to navigate, I personally feel. If you've used these magnifier things before, maybe this is how they work, but I don't particularly think it's that useful. I think it's a bit difficult to use. But that's how you use that. But I'm going to show you the second option, which I think is much better. So the second option, go down to the bottom, click on there, go to settings there, and then see, for me, it's just, I just find it all very confusing having it like this. Accessibility, manage accessibility features, and we want to turn that off. So that's the display, we want that one, turn it off. I'm glad that's gone because I just found that quite difficult to know what I was navigating and where I was navigating. That's why I don't personally think that's that great. Luckily, there's this one underneath called Enable Magnifier. Click on that, and instead what it does, it still gives you a normal screen at the bottom so you can navigate, because it may not be that you've got your eyesight so bad that you can't navigate. It might just be sometimes you want help with the text. So here, you just, where you are, enable full screen magnifier, you can see at the top clearly where it is. I think this is a much better option. And again, you've got zoom as well. You could just put down to 2 if it's not too bad, or you can go right up to 20 if you want to, and it will do it that way like that, which is good. Doing 20 on this one, I really wouldn't recommend. I did it and it took me about 5 minutes to find my way back to turn it off. So be careful with that. So this is on 4x. Now, if we close that and say go to Google and type in Chromebook News, and there you'll see, I just think it's easier. Bear in mind that won't be there. It still comes up with the functions as normal. And you've got it up here. It shows you everywhere you're looking, like that, for example. It's quite nice. So I think that's good. I think that's the best one. Obviously, try them both out and see which one's best for you. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel for future videos, and thanks for watching.